pen. Yeah, I've kind of got a mess here of these pens laying all over the place. I did have them organized up there, but I guess I will just pick whatever random pen I'm going to use for doodling. You know, I think it's time to make my bed. It's kind of a mess. Yeah, I washed my other bed sheet, and I did have it on the bed, but then I woke up and then this happened. Do you think I have enough candles? Maybe I should get a couple more. Maybe 10 more. You have enough outlets, they said. Get more outlets, they said. And enough cords. Obviously there's a lot of them back there. Do you remember back in the day when 8 gigabytes was a lot of memory for a memory card? And now 8 gigabytes is barely enough to edit one video. Things have changed quite a bit, but now I sound like I'm 100 years old. Back in my day. Butter knives aren't only for butter. I actually use this for tightening the screws to my one little tripod that I use for my camcorder. This here, like the bottom part of it, if I can get this off. Let's see. There. But this little piece here, it you can't really tighten it by your hand, so I actually use a butter knife for that. I think I have like maybe 2 or 3 sketchbooks. I'm not sure. What do you think? I've only got a couple of pens and a couple of pencils. There's like maybe 2 or 3 pencils there, right? Something like that. I'm getting really bored. I don't think that's any good anymore. I think I'm gonna make myself some tea. That's an empty one. Peppermint. You're my greatest fan. Make everything so easy at home. I have completed another doodle last night. I did this with the Micron pen. 0.5, or well, the 0.05, same difference. Well, difference, same. You get the idea. Lots of dots all over. So I'm going to do a drawing, but I don't know which thing to pick here. I mean, I've got pens, pencils, colored pencils, paint, and might do a painting maybe. You know, I guess I could do an oil painting, but I need to practice a bit before I start doing all that. Oh, so many options in such little time.